Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you what to do if your HP OmniBook X freezes. So, if you can't do anything on your laptop, then try to forcefully turn it off, and you can do it by clicking and holding the power on button. For me, you can see the slide to shut down the PC, but if it freezes, you will not see that. But after a while, it will just turn off. If it's still not working, then try to unplug it from the charging and let it run out of the battery. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.